Alright, item number 3, confirmation of the minutes of the Ordinary Council meeting on the 26th of September. Alright, that was held at Turangi-Tongariro and Mangakino-Pouakani Street. Any points of clarification or any time? Yes, Councillor Body.
Thank you, Your Worship. On page number 7, partway down the top, it talks about there was a complaint when we were going through our items. There was a complaint about noise in town. I asked the question about who was the commercial operator, and the agenda item says this will be provided following the meeting. I haven't had that yet because I was wondering whether it was one of our liquor licensing operators.
Okay. Who's here? Anyone that could answer that? Mr. Fox, no?
No, detail on the Nellens area, but I don't have the information, but we'll make sure we do straight after this meeting.
We've referred to the same page in regard to the resolution Class 4 gambling. I was one of 3 that were appointed on the 21st of November to sit. I'm unable to do that, so we may have to appoint someone else during this meeting. Because the agenda item does contain, and it may well be Councillor Stewart as a representative from Turangi.
Okay, thank you, Councillor Body. So not available, so we'll do that, Mrs. Jakes. Engagement. Thank you very much. All right. Any other points of clarification? We'll get that followed up with. That first query of yours, Councillor Body, where was it? Sorry, in there? The noise complaint?
Through the chair, it was page 7. It was just after the bullet points. So it's at the top of the page.
Top of the page, okay.
After the bullet points.
Okay, sorry, I'm just taking a little while to work out mine.
That's my point.
Yep.
Would you like my hard copy, Your Worship?
Get back to you. I wouldn't mind that, see. All right, so could I have a mover for those minutes, please? Moved by Councillor Jollins, seconded by Councillor Hickling. All those in favour, please say aye. Aye. Those against? Carried.